Hello everyone, this is Alex Gerchik and Gerchik Co Company. Today we're gonna talk about the stocks. Once a week we have Forex and once a week we have stocks. Today is a stock day. I want to let you know about the championship that we have. We created this championship a while back, actually it's about 3 years ago. It's a very simple championship. You open a demo account in our company, you trade in the demo account with a certain risk, with the drawdowns, you show the results, and if you're a winner, out of everyone, 55 people are going to be winners. So with the 55 people, if you get one of the 80 places, first or a 54th place, you'll get $1,000 on your team account in our company, and you can basically start building a career of a professional trader and attract the customers, attract the investors. That's the first thing. And right now we have a 5th season. It's a very simple to register, a very simple procedure, but you have all the chances to win a real money and a team account. And the second thing is also excellent one. We have I call it a lottery, but the beautiful part is you don't lose in this case when you have a lottery. It's called mega hit. It's very simple. You put over $1,000 in your account and you have a chance automatically to win iPhone XX Max or a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And after 3 months of a summer hit, you have a chance to win a mega gift. It's on September 5th. It's going to be a lottery where you can win $3,000 a month. All the people who participated from the 1st of June to August 31st. As I said, it's a very simple thing. You put $1,000 in your account and you automatically become a participant in the lottery. Very simple thing. You have nothing to lose. Like, you go to the store and you buy a lottery. In this case, you don't have to buy anything. You have like $1,000 that you deposit, and you have a chance to win right away. And if you like our videos, and I'm sure you like it, just put likes for us, share, and we'll be very happy because you're with us. Today we're going to start talking about the market. I mean, if you've seen last few weeks what I'm talking about, the market is going to go up, and it looks like we're breaking a new high all the time. And that's what I said. I mean, I know we just started the English videos recently, just 2 weeks ago, but whoever saw us before in the Russian channel, I've been talking in the last 6-7 months that the market is going to basically go higher and higher, and right now the market looks higher. Obviously not every single stock is participating in the rally, but in this case the most important thing is to try to participate and make money. That's very important thing. Me personally, the way I trade, I'll make sure that the instrument that I have, it will go up and down without looking at the S&P. For me, the most important thing is to participate in the stocks which does not have a correlation with S&P. I don't like the stocks which are correlated. I like the stocks which is weaker than the market or stronger than the market. So in this case, that's where you can make money. You'll make money on something that looks good. This is very important thing. So right now, I'm going to show you. Right now, that's a spider, and we'll go from here. Okay, this is a spider. As you see, spider is going up. So far, the most important thing is to see how's the stocks, the major stocks, Tesla, Amazon, Alibaba, Facebook, and everybody else is holding up to the rally which the market has. Just for you to understand, when you see something like that, you have to make sure that you're going to be very fast, because if it's going to be a drop down in the market, I mean, we can see a very big and the most amazing part, very fast drop down, something like here. So when you trade stocks, it doesn't really matter. You have to make sure that once basically the rally is going to sustain or not sustain, you better get out if something goes wrong. So look at Tesla. I'll tell you a little bit more about the Tesla. Tesla is not one of my favorite stocks. You know why? For one simple thing. Tesla is a new stock. And every time you see up and down, up and down, up and down, it's very hard to participate in Tesla because Tesla moving the way they like it. I mean, if the Tesla wants to go down fast, it's going to go down fast. If it's going to go up, it's a news stock. And every time the Elon Musk says something good, it's going up. It says something bad, it's going down. So as you see, you can see in Tesla, it's a very hard to make money in it because the stock has no continuation. I don't really like when the stock has no continuation, especially in this stock. This is more of a all speculators game, and this is not a kind of stock I understand. And the most amazing part, that's not the kind of stock I want to trade. So Tesla, I don't trade. Amazon. Take a look at the Amazon and take a look at the Spider. Spider pretty much is going higher and higher and higher every day, but take a look at the Amazon. Amazon is like 4 days staying here at the same level. So below 2,000, it can be very nice short, like, momentum short. I call it the momentum short. Why? Because it looks like the Amazon is not supporting the rally anymore, you see? So if it's going to break 2,000, it's very big possibility the Amazon can go down. Alibaba, I always like this Chinese stock. I think this is like one of the best, if it's not the best, the Chinese company. I like the CEO of the company, the president of the company. I like the company itself, like the product. It's very good and understandable business. But as I said, you see, if you trade a foreign company, it's very hard to trade something. Why? For one simple reason, because you're going to have a lot of gaps against you, towards you, but most of the time, you wake up in the morning and you don't know what's going on. So Tesla is not Alibaba, it's not a super good stock to trade. But we're going to go to Facebook. Facebook looks extremely good, extremely good. It looks like it's breaking high and it's going to break high. As I said, if the market is going to sustain the rally, Facebook is going to really go up. If the company makes a lot of money, company has plenty of cash. They basically change the politics of the company to make much more money. And it looks like they're really doing it. I mean, they're very successful by doing that. So, if the market is going to sustain the rally, Facebook has all the chances to go higher. Apple. Look, Apple is not the only one company for now which is not breaking the highs and highs. So it looks like, the Apple might go higher. Here, it was the news a few weeks ago that the designer of Apple, who used to be a big friends with Steve Jobs and started with him a long time ago, he's leaving the company and opened his own company. So I thought, honestly, I thought it was going to be a very bad news for the Apple, but looks like the guys who's trying to buy the stock, they don't really care about the bad news. So obviously, if the speculators trying to buy every dip when the stock is going down, they know much more than we are because they're big guys, they supported the stock, they're taking the stock higher. So Apple, it looks very good, but anything below $200 for Apple will generate the short signal, and I would definitely be a seller. Google, that's the problem. Google for now, you see, cannot take the stock higher. It's a 10% from highs, but looks like the Google is not reacting to the good news, whatever happened in the market. And usually, what's going on in this case? If the stock, it cannot react to the good news when the whole market is going up, the one bad news in the market or just one bad move in the market, the stock is going to get destroyed. So take a look at the Google. Anything below 1135, somewhere in this case, you can have a very nice short. Uber, I'll show you a few stocks that I think it's going to go up. That's my personal opinion. Over 45.50, I think the Uber is a great buy. Why? As you see, it's a recent IPO and the people is not selling. That's the most important thing. When an IPO stock is not selling off, it has all the chances to go. So in this particular case scenario, I think the Uber is going to manage to go above 45.50. We can have a very nice rally for Uber. Another one, Lyft as well. Above 66, I think Lyft is going to fly. Lyft has a much more possibility than Uber. And I think if the Lyft is going to break $66, it's definitely will go much higher. And this is a Beyond Meat. I mean, I don't understand the company. I don't understand the product, but I understand the chart. Chart looks great. The stock is going higher. People are buying it. People think this is the whatever next Microsoft or next IBM or anything else. So, stock looks good. People buying it. That's the most important thing. People buying it. People make money. That's the most amazing part. Guys, When I do my videos, I try to stick with the one scenario, not to give you a hard time, not to look for the way too many stocks. But if there is something you want me to take a look, any stocks or anything else, please let me know. Send the letter to our support, and I'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you very much. I'm Alexander Gerchik. I was in the Wall Street Warriors show in 2006, one of the safest traders at one point, day traders. So if you have a chance, if you want to speak to me, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much. All the best.